never stick to clutching like GC. We too much for much. Yo, you pay for the date, we never go in Dutch. You're handing me the rock when you're in the clutch. Inside the paint, no stopping me. You see, this kid got game, so the P is free. It's a Thrust Premier, #1 MC. And now we super rapping for the world to see. I'm all you could ever strive to be. Intelligent, dark, and young, and lovely. We pop like bubbly, you got to love me. Plus, what else? I'm all up in your game, so most recognize and respect the name. Respect the name. The name? Thrust. Mr. Thrust, right here, #1 MC. Now we super rapping for the world to see. Thrust. It's so amazing. So amazing. Mr. Thrust, right here, #1 MC. Now we super rapping for the world to see. Yo, it's so amazing. So amazing. Thrust is hitting papers, Thrust is hitting papers, yes papers. Attitude to paper, not one taker. The type to leave the logo on your skyscraper. The type that you really love to hate. You're a beat writer, dope style taker. Tell it to your face, you ain't nothing but the faker. We're just that greater, we strive to be. Most of these cats, they ain't live to me. And I look this far as the eye can see. And everything's still pointing back to me and my family. You ain't down with the tree, then you're not riding for free. So if you wanna join the family, you must see me. A perfect 10 from letters of 3. Doing it the way it was meant to be. Rap more than essential B. It's only now the world will see. So follow me to a place that you never been before. Thrust be doing it, knocking on your door. It's like a hardcore to the floor. You want more? Step in this, it's the ill metaphor. Mr. Thrust right here, #1 MC. Now we super rapping for the world to see. It's so amazing, so amazing. Mr. Thrust right here, #1 MC. Now we super rapping for the world to see. It's so amazing, so amazing. Watch me get down and just do my thing, baby. At the end of the race, you know it's all gravy. With you out of position, I hit the target with precision. I keep my team atop of the division. I see through opponents with the inner vision, producing and splitting points with MC collision. So sit back, relax, put on your headgear. We take you on a ride through the atmosphere, doing it 360 throughout the sphere. We bum down the place, we out of here. You better stand clear, a world premiere. Something you should hear, make it hot when we appear. Our force can't be stopped from the perimeter, the shot will always drop. We go Robocop, we're remaining on top. We can't stop but be stopped. This is hip hop, remaining on top. Can't stop but be stopped, it's the hot ish we drop. From the T-Dot block, we rock well. The various collision, clientele. Rocking it well, plus it ain't hard to tell. Hi, see y'all, scoping the situation. It was realizing what's really going on right in front of your eyes. It was history in the making. Mr. Thrust right here, #1 MC. Now we super happy for the world to see. It's so amazing, so amazing. Mr. Thrust right here, #1 MC. Now we super happy for the world to see. It's so amazing, so amazing. Mr. Thrust right here.